Do you wonder how to make your own hand and surface sanitizer using easily available products? You'll need disinfectant, something to help keep your hands smooth and to counteract the harshness of alcohol, and essential oils for improving the smell. The last two ingredients are optional. Alcohol-based disinfectant that contains at least 60% alcohol is currently the most effective. You can use isopropyl, or rubbing alcohol, or available in pharmacies, salicylic alcohol. The second option is to use vinegar. It isn't the best choice to kill germs and viruses. However, the acetic acid in vinegar does have some disinfectant properties, and can kill some types of germs, so you may want to use it if it's your only option. So, the first recipe. 1 part of aloe vera gel, or glycerol, easily available in pharmacies. 3 parts of isopropyl, or rubbing alcohol. Few drops of your favorite essential oil. It can be, for example, lemon oil, or tea tree oil. Essential oils are optional, however they can provide some benefits, good smell and some disinfecting properties. To measure the quantity, you can use a small container, for example a glass. So, pour 1 glass of alcohol, and 3 glasses of glycerol or aloe vera gel, into a larger dish. Next, mix it with a spoon. You can beat with a whisk to turn the sanitizer into a gel. Pour the ingredients into an empty bottle for easy use. Second recipe. Salicylic alcohol. A bit of glycerol or aloe vera gel, to keep your hands smooth. Few drops of your favorite essential oil, to make it smell good. The ethanol content of salicylic alcohol is already at an appropriate level, and this product should not be diluted. That's why we use very small portions of other ingredients. Third recipe, without alcohol. 1 part of vinegar. 1 part of water. Few drops of your favorite essential oil. Last recipe, surface sanitizer spray. 4 parts of odorless denatured alcohol. It is cheap and easily accessible. 1 part of water. Denatured alcohol is not recommended for disinfecting the skin. If this video is helpful and you want more free videos, please support the channel. Click the link below.